Right, so here we are at the site of what's going to be the garden office. As you can see, probably a bit of work to do. So we've already cleared out a load of the decking, and then we've got to change the fence line, and we've got to get rid of this monstrosity. So today's job is getting a load of boxes, got some storage. This is the old decking. You see, we've got to clear out some space at the back to put in the new fence line, and then we got to get rid of all this so that we can demolish the shed. So a bit in storage, a bit on Gumtree, and a bit to the tip, and then we'll see where we go from there. So there we go, we've got most of the garage cleared out now. The rest of the stuff that's just left in here is probably all going to go to the tip. Still got a few things to sell, but the next step will be to demolish the garage, and then once we've pulled that down, we'll begin to take up the base and put in the new fence line. So here we are, the base all broken up. You can see some of it's left, and actually I dug out some more concrete when I removed the last of the decking supports. So I'm probably going to have to get another skip to get rid of that lot. Got this huge pile of wood as well to get rid of, which is going to be fun. Cutting that up and getting that into a skip, I think if I pack it neatly it'll go alright. And then we've been preparing for the fencing. So I had a gravel board from the panel that was previously there. So it's the same size as the new fence panels that are going to go in. So I've dug a hole here, a 40 centimetre by 40 centimetre hole. I'll do a bit of a tips video on how best to dig holes. I've strangely done a bit of research on that, and I think I've got quite an effective technique. So that's ready to receive the post and to be concreted in. So it's about 60 centimetres below the ground level here, this lower bit of ground level, and 40 centimetres in diameter for 100 to receive 100 mil post. And then we've obviously got the string layout down here, which shows where the fence line is going to go, and we'll put another panel in at right angles, and at some point we're going to have to remove that tree as well.